Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you in how you can pay Skyro using GCash QR code. So first is just open your Skyro and then just enter your passcode here, your 4-digit passcode. Now after that, once you're here, just tap on the amount or the loan that you're going to pay and then just tap on the make a payment. Now you will be redirected to a page where you have to choose a payment option. So you just have to select GCash from the options. So click on that. And then from here, just tap on Pay 2006. Tap on that very bottom. So after that, it will give you a QR code. So you just have to screenshot the QR code and then go to your GCash account and then tap on the QR code. And then from there, you just have to upload the QR code and you will be asked to pay the exact amount. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!